Okay, this is part 1 of my annoying sounds. Partner in crime. Hey, partner. Howdy ho. I wanna be the very best, but I don't ever want. Howdy, partners in crime. Do I sound like a redneck? Because if I do, you should remind me. Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest, before I kick your ass and shove that pixel shit up your ass like your mom did with your ass. L-O-L-L-L-O-L-L. L-O-L-L. What's that spell? L-O-L-L. Oh my god, what the fuck? L-O-L-L. I'm gonna kick your ass. L-O-L-L. Okay. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I'm Kevin Fraser, and how do you do? Oh yeah, I like the Bible, I carry it wherever I go, including my lunch, my dinner, my sleep, and my masturbation. LOL. I'm Steven. Where's my pencil? I know it's not in my hand. Oh, it's right here. LOL. Tyler. You dumb frick. Frickity frick. I'm gonna hit you with a rule, bitch. Eric Parsons. Do the angry face. James.